You wake up feeling uncalibrated and physically depleted. Your workouts leave you beat up for days, and despite your discipline, you're developing that soft dad bod armor, while your hard-earned muscle seems to wilt away. Most men over 40 look at this physical decline and accept it as normal. They assume it is a personal loss of willpower or simply the inevitable result of getting older. Generic testosterone boosters and caffeine fail because they target isolated symptoms, while the underlying infrastructure is in a state of systemic signal failure. This is the biological rust that blocks the signals required for high performance. To reclaim your physical resilience, you have to stop guessing and start treating your body with an engineering mindset. We need to evaluate your biological architecture. Fixing this architecture requires a strict triple-stack approach. First, we have to repair the hydraulic delivery leaks. Second, we authorize the cellular repair crew. And third, we filter out the toxic sludge that is sabotaging your hormones. Biological recovery is a prerequisite-based engineering problem. If you try to skip steps, the entire system fails to perform. The primary rule of any supply chain is simple. You cannot deliver high-value biological cargo if the internal transport infrastructure has collapsed. This chart tracks systemic nitric oxide production over time. By age 60, internal NO drops by 85%. Blood vessels transition from flexible channels into stiff, unresponsive pipes, literally kinking the hose on every masculine signal. Before introducing a single repair agent, you have to unkink that hose. You must restore microartery flow and reauthorize the nitrate-nitrate pathway. Until those internal fuel lines can hold pressure, every other health protocol you try is stranded in a collapsed tunnel. Once the hydraulic pipes are finally clear, your body needs cargo. It requires specific cellular instructions to start rebuilding muscle and incinerating fat. By age 50, your nocturnal HGH repair pulse is 50% lower. When that wave flattens, your body stops fixing itself. Precursors like L-arginine restart this pulse, providing chemical instructions without synthetic hormone risks. Pillar 2 takes the wide-open vascular pathways we built in Pillar 1 and delivers these nocturnal growth agents directly into your muscle tissue while you sleep. But optimal hydraulics and high HGH pulses are useless if your system is actively sabotaging itself. We have to address the estrogen hijack. Inside your body, aromatase enzymes act like a biological short circuit. They intercept your high-value testosterone and aggressively convert it into toxic estrogen metabolites. This creates a heavy biological sludge. It overrides masculine instructions, signaling your body to stay soft and store fat, no matter how hard you train. Pillar 3 neutralizes this threat. Implementing a strict internal filter, it captures those softening signals, flushing them from your system. By clearing this sludge, you release the estrogenic brake. The nitric oxide fuel lines and the HGH engine can finally run at full capacity without any internal resistance. Integrating these 3 pillars creates a stabilized feedback loop known as the integrated resilience architecture. Your biology and your environment are now synchronized. The delivery, repair, and filtration systems lock together, operating as one continuous, unshakable loop. The physical decline observed over age 40 stems from a mechanical collapse of these 3 internal pillars, a breakdown that requires an engineering blueprint to restore. Stop guessing. Stop wasting money on random supplements that ignore the strict prerequisite architecture of your own biology. Audit your system today. Initialize the complete 72-hour reset and guarantee that your biological foundation can hold pressure.